automatic winding lifestyle playback or flyback chronograph, 16 million. Patek Philippines Aquanaut Rose Gold, 5 million. Patek Philippines Aquanaut, 3 million. Patek Philippines Nautilus Automatic Ladies Watch, 3 million. Patek Philippines World Time, 2 million. Rolex Day-Date 40, 2 million. Rolex GMT Master, 1 million. Rolex Oyster Perpetual Celebration Dial, 1 million. So, kulang 2 million nga ito. Total of 156,268,879.38 million pesos. Hindi ko na po na-compute yung ibang accessories niya like earrings, bracelet, OOTD niya. Lagay nyo na lang sa comment section or visit nyo sa page niya. Guys, marami pa kayong makikita. Search nyo lang Congresswoman Ching